Do you have water problems? Common concerns range from unpleasant odor, bad taste, stained fixtures, and discolored clothes to a variety of health issues. At Quality Water Solutions, we have systems that are specifically designed to handle these concerns. We can treat hardness, iron, pH, sediment, bacteria, chlorine, lead, pesticides, chemicals, drugs, and more. With over 8 years' experience in water treatment, our broad range of expertise includes testing water for municipalities and hospitals. We have a wide range of products for both commercial and residential water treatment needs. We offer sales, service, installation, and a free water analysis. Quality Water Solutions, 919-246-4511.